Alright, so in this video I'll just show you quickly on what I installed, which is a front facing dash cam, which is on top of my rear view mirror. Real simple. So the way I installed it is, it's one of those cameras that you mount on your car. I mean on top of your mirror, I'm sorry. The way I ran the cables is I just tucked them in on top of the headliner there. Brought it all the way around, and I still got to tuck that in, but I ran it all the way in through here. I just tucked the cable in, and I did it through the weather strip. From there I just tucked it in there, and it's running all the way out this way, all along the weather strip and through the inside. I'll show you guys all through that line and down, up and down the weather strip, all the way down back, all the way to through here. I ran the cable in through here, which is the seat, the back seat. This is removable. This is kind of, this just removes and you get to the back of the car, well, your trunk, I should say, your trunk. And ran the cable through here, which you have access to the back of your car, to the, I guess, a little cabin type of thing. And I ran the cable, which is here. As you can see, here's the cable, and I'm running it up through this. The trunk itself has this thing here, which is just a plastic you can take off. Sorry about the lighting. So I took this trim off, zip tied it, and I'll snap that back on later on. I took the cabling itself, I zip tied it to existing cables for the back lights. It's just all here. This is it. And I ran it in through the back of the trunk itself, and I actually drilled a hole right here. I don't know if you can see that. I drilled a hole where the camera's coming out through. Here, let me, bad lighting, sorry guys. Here it is. I drilled that hole. I'm going to be filling it in with a little bit of a silicone, and then I'm going to have a seal somewhere. But here's the little camera. So that camera's going to be facing backwards. And so I'm going to be connecting the red cable, which powers the reverse light, which is, it just the camera itself turns on when the reverse light, when you put the car into reverse. Okay, quick, simple. This here is what you have on your back of your trunk. So the way you take it off is, first, sorry guys, you'll be taking this off of your trunk, just pulls down. Then on here you have these little I don't even know what that is. It's just a little rubber part. You just pull them off so that this part of the liner comes off, so it goes through here, so that can come off. Now there's two bolts, which is here. You have a bolt here and another bolt on the back of this handle. This is where your trunk release is, or emergency trunk release I should say. You actually got to pull this off. Then this part itself has a bolt, which I'm sorry, not a bolt, but a little ball that goes to the wire, which is this one here. Here's the wire, so that little ball goes in through there. So you got to take this off so you can pull the little ball off. Then this thing here just snaps off. Here, I'll show you. Like that, just snaps off. And then on the back of that, which is right next to it, there's another bolt. So you got to take those off, otherwise you cannot release this liner. This liner is all snapped on through low pressure snaps right here. They're all along. There's just about 7 or 8 of them. Yeah, just that's all you do to, well, that's all I did to put a reverse light on there. You got questions on this 2013 Audi A4 Quattro? I've done quite a few things to it. Just not necessarily cosmetic, just repairs on it that I've done. I got this car for a very, very good price. and then I'll drive it for a good while, and then I'll sell it to the right owner, whoever wants to buy it off of me. But this thing is flawless. Leather interior's got that light color interior. It's really nice car. I actually enjoyed it a lot. But you know, if you have questions, let me know. Again, I've done a few things to the car, so I know quite a bit on this particular model. And questions, comments, concerns, let me know, guys.